pivoted my lifestyle for the 9 to 5. Fuck the trife life, I likes to get paid for doing a lot. So when I revive my rap career, y'all can stand up and cheer. Last year was a bad year, but this year is bound to be a better one. Now listen to the words of this optimistic hoodlum who be pulling my moves than a funkified dancer. I'm never taking no as an answer. Go ask my financer, cause all I really needed was a chance to come back to my roots. Act like Odyssey, I'm zipping up my boots, cause round about now I got my mind strictly fixed on my loot. Plus a lot of plans I need to execute. This baby fine for being cute. If you listen up closely, I think of dirty hip hop, so don't stand close to me, cause I can rock you vocally and globally. I'm known to be the one and only F-I-T-I, and I'm classified as mad fly. Plus I got some more game than the millionaire playboy, one who stays above the rim like alloy. You can't fall a ploy up this dry continental type of b-boy.
Storm, the rock storm, beaming all the way live from the source. It's the funk storm, the rock storm, beaming all the way live from the source. Check it out.
Rock storm is all about a finger snaps, hand claps, feet taps. Loves it when your head bops. The slide fly sound fat on your high five. My jam rocks, hip the hops, top knock. Came to shock the copper style that leaves you happy like a pimp. On a set of Baywatch, best believe that I rock the spot where you finna be rock. While I pick the sheep flock to the beat, the bump can't knock. You think a lot, why not? Rewind yourself, reactivate yourself, participate yourself. A smooth slide reactor to your shelf. I can't be slipping. It's only last year your cousin died for drug slinging. That shit had me thinking I can't fuck up the whole show for fast dough. Cause fast dough is bound to make me John Doe and Ayo. I ain't seen no death folk rocking no shows, so I flip the whole mind stage to Dolo. But never slow mo though, cause slow mo you catch you out there. When you drink a beer, they roll up on you when you soul apart. They don't care. They probably on welfare, but no fear. This year is bound to be a fat year. This year is bound to be a good year.
Stone is all about the finger snaps and the hand claps. Love it when your head bobs. Rock Stone is all about the greenbacks, fat cats with the nappy dreadlocks. It's the funk storm, rock storm, beaming down live all the way from the source. It's the funk storm, rock storm, beaming down live all the way from the source. Check it out now.
But we be beaming down live all the way from the source, where the weather gets hot like Tabasco sauce. On the everyday we fight for the right cause, of course. We never taking no shorts, we never taking no loss. We wanna be fading, full like Eric B and rockin'. If a brother tell you that they're watching, now that I got you wide open, you welcome to my tri-continental cipher. Hyphenate the funk to the stone. Now tell me what you get. You get a brother with more rhythm than a metronome. Now my man Reggie Rockstone, tell him man we chill when we back at the source, aka home.
One bad African, the one who only broke out just to break back, and now you shout. West Africa's the only spot I feel to speed my clout. No doubt, Rockstone intense paved the way for all y'all stressing. Caught up in the Badlands, now here's the new route. Pack your stuff and get the step and dash quick and stash the weapon. No tripping, you say you representing, boy you slipping. Repatriation means extreme representation. Point in case.
Funk Stone is all about the finger snaps and the hand claps. Love it when your feet taps. Rock Stone is all about the greenbacks, fat cats with the nappy dreadlocks. Funk Stone, Rock Stone, beaming down live all the way from the source. It's the Funk Stone, Rock Stone, beaming down live all the way from the source. Check it out now.